Meanwhile, the education sector has been shaken by the gruesome killing of the two children in Green Island. 4-year-old Shanique Cook attended the Green Island Basic School, while her 7-year-old sibling Jayana was in grade 2 at Green Island Primary. While expressing shock at the killings, Education Minister Ruel Reid said the ministry responded by providing counselling.
The Minister's trauma team has been dispatched to both schools to conduct grief counseling sessions. These young children, Jayana and Shanique, were brilliant. The definition of model students who were well-behaved and hard-working. Their deaths are truly regrettable. All of Jamaica should be in mourning over these senseless killings.
At the Green Island Basic and Primary School, students, teachers and parents reportedly wept as they got news of the deaths. Principal of Green Island Primary, Vasiana Mosley, says the situation was too much to handle.
I came to school this morning hearing the news, thought I could have dealt with it because I've been through quite a few situations like these. But when I went to the class and saw how the kids were crying and their response to the fact that they lost a classmate and a friend, it was so contagious. I had to leave the classroom and spend some time in my office dealing with it in my own little way. It's very tragic, very, very tragic.
He says Jayana was one of the top performing students at the school. At the Green Island Basic School, Shanique was also described as a brilliant child.